ओम सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ओम शांति शांति शांति। येन धौता गिरः पुंसाम् विमलैः शब्दवारिभिः तमश्चाज्ञानजं भिन्नम् तस्मै पाणिनये नमः। नत्वा सरस्वतीं देवीं शुद्धां गुण्यां करोम्यहम् पाणिनीयप्रवेशाय लघुसिद्धान्तकौमुदी। हरि ओम। व्यूअर सी here we started this siddh dhatu uganta laghu padasya cha. The sutra we read, meaning we saw that the sutra comes after sarvadhatuka ardhadhatukayoho. Sarvadhatuka ardhadhatukayoho sutra does the guna adesha if anga has this anga is ending with ik pratyahara letter, then it is followed by sarvadhatuka pratyaya or ardhadhatuka pratyaya, then that ik pratyahara letter will be replaced by guna. Most similar guna adesha we will bring. Now here dhatu is not ajanta, it is not ending with ach, it is not ending with swara, but it is ending with hal. But there is a swara in second last position. Second last letter is swara. Now puganta laghu padasya cha sutra says that laghu upadha anga anga which has laghu swara as upadha or in the position of second last, then that letter will get guna eka adesha. Eka guna adesha will happen to that. Now puganta laghu upadhasya cha angasya gunah ekah adeshah syat. So we had this siddh. Siddh dhana tip siddh yeah shap tip. Shap came by Adhikari shap. Now siddh a is there and t is there. A is kingship sarvadhatukam pratyay in front of siddh dhatu. Now siddh dhatu has ikara in the second last position. This sutra will be applied. Puganta laghu upadhasya cha. Laghu upadhasya अंगस्य सार्वधातुक आर्धधातुक प्रत्यय परे सति गुणः एकः आदेशः स्यात्. So here सार्वधातुक प्रत्यय is there, guna eka adesha will happen to this laghu upadha anga. Where will this adesha come? It will come to ik sthane adesha gunadesha vruddhi bhavati, gunadesha vruddhi adesha bhavati. So siddh will turn into sedh. A is there, he will remain as it is. Meaning of sutra is laghu upadhasya angasya ekah gunah सार्वधातुक अर्धधातुकयोः प्रत्यययोः परयोः सतोः भवति. So this is सार्वधातुक लघु उपधा अंग. So गुण एकादेश happened, siddh became sedh. Form is ready. Sedhati. Then rest of the prakriya sedhati with tas. सेधतः सेधन्ति, सेधसि, सेधथः, सेधथ, सेधामि, सेधावः, सेधामः. Same as patati or atat. Yes. Seधति. So everywhere shap is there in between. Shap will cause this laghu upadha guna, and rest of the forms are as it is. Anti, jhontah, ant adesha will happen, and everywhere else as it is, no different karya. Okay, and then okay, this meaning is clear.
Ji.
Now there is one more word used, pugantasya. Pugantasya means there is this puk agama. It is vihita by this sutra. The example we will see. This sutra says that arti, hri, vli, ri, knu, yik, shma, and then this akaranta shabdas. All akaranta, kshmai shabda, kshmai dhatu, knui and kshmai, and then akaranta dhatus. They will get pugagama when there is nich pratyay in front of them. Right? Agati nivruttav dhatu is there. It turns into tha. Is the dhatu. It turns into stha. Now stha, when we want to connect with nich, we want to connect with nich pratyaya, we want the causal form, then hetumaticha, by that we bring the nich. Stha, nich only ikara remains. Now when we are connecting stha with nich, one agama happens, that is puk by this sutra only. Arti, hri, vli, ri, knu, yik, shma, yatam, pungnau. Atam means akarantanam. Puk syat, nau paresati. Now nich pratyaya paresati, nichi paresati or nau paresati. So here the puk will come. From puk, kakara and ukara will disappear. Tha, pa. Ikara will remain as it is. The sutra we use is arti, hri, vli, ri, knu, yik, shma, yatam, pungnau. Sthapi, it becomes, and then it is declared. Sthapi, dhana, tip. Then Sthapi, dhana, shap, dhana, tip. Shap will come by kartari shap. Then Sthapi, akara only will remain. T will be there. Stha, pe, it will turn into. Akara is there. T is there. This ekara will happen by sutra.
Ganta lagu padasya.
No. Ekara is
Guna.
not. Sarva dhatu ka ardha dhatu ka. Sarva dhatu ka ardha. Your antya swara, then antya hrasva or dirgha, it will turn into guna by sarva dhatu ka ardha dhatu ka. Upantya laghu swara only will turn into
Ganta lagu.
Sthape will turn into pai. Pai is there, is there by sutra.
Echo yamaya.
So, one is ready. One is ready. So, this is पुगंतस्य अंगस्य गुणः एकः आदेशः स्यात् सार्वधातुकार्धधातुको. Again, for sthapi also nimitta we took was of shap pratyay, only we took the nimitta, that was sarvadhatuka pratyay by kinshit sarvadhatuka. This sutra is saying this Dhatvadehe iti Sah. The original dhatu is Siddha. This Siddha Akara is nasal. So by this sutra, Dhatvadehe Kah Sah Dhatvadehe Dhatuho Adi Shakarasya Sthane Sakarah Bhavati. Is the meaning of this Dhatvadehe iti Sah. Then Sedhati form is formed. Clear?
Yes, Ji.
Now, the next lakara is lit lakara. This we will have to know. Let's decline. Sidh, Dhana, lit. Sidh, Dhana, lit. Why? Prokshe,
Lit.
lit. Then
In Nala process,
first it will come.
Nalgama.
Then Sidh, Dhana, Sip will be replaced by Dhana. So let's keep the Sip aside. Sidh. Siptaji, Siptastha will be replaced by Nal, Atus, Us, Hal, Atus, Ha, Nal, Va, Ma. These are the Adesha. Here we have to remember this Nal is Nich. Sorry, Nith. Nakara is It. That's why it is Nith. The second Nal is also Nith because Nakara is It in it. This Thal will get it by Ardha Dhatu ka set bala de. Let's decline now this. Okay. Here, when we have brought this lit, that time itself, lit lakara has got Ardha Dhatu ka saudhnya by Litcha Sutra. By Litcha Sutra, by default, it has got Ardha Dhatu ka saudhnya. Okay. Then, now in the place of Tit, Nal has come. Sidh, Dhana, La. Sidh, only A will remain. Now, what will be the prakriya hereafter?
Dvitva.
Huh?
Dvitva. Dvitva. Dvitva.
Dvitva. Correct. Sidh, Sidh, A, Sutra.
Liti Dhatu Ranabhyas.
Liti, Dhatu, Ranab.
Anabhyasasya.
Liti, Dhatu, Ranabhyasasya. Then,
Aladi Shesha.
Anadi, Shekha. Then,
Rasvaha.
Yes.
Rasvaha.
Rasva, it is Rasva only, already Rasva. If it is Dirgha, then Rasva Sutra will be applied. It is Rasva. Yes. It is applied, even it is Rasva, it is applied. Parjanya Lakshana Pravritti by that.
Guna Adesha
Guna Adesha will happen.
to the Abhyasta. Second,
Yes, second object. Correct, okay.
that is Abhyasta.
Say Abhyasta is both. So, other Anga, the second Anga we can say.
Is it having a particular name?
No, it is not. Second one is not having particular name.
Here they call it Amridagam
Swamiji?
Paramamriditam. Oh, correct.
because that
Paramamriditam.
Amreditam. Oh, okay.
But Khan is there, no?
But there is Dvitva Prakarana. I doubt in this Dvitva it is called Dvitva or not.
Anyway, at least in Kailash, they call it Amreditam. So one is Abhyasa, one is Amreditam. So they are separated.
Yes. So that will get guna by the
Sugandha Laghupadasya.
Suganta Laghu Padasya cha. Now,
Say will become She. Adesha Pratyaya.
Pratyayoho Swamidedi Sishedha. Sishedha. Now for next, okay, that was this line. Say that, okay. Shatvam by Adesha Pratyayoho. Sishedha, rest of the prakriya is as it is. Uganta Laghupada Sutra is current sutra only that is used. Now, next is, there is some change. Now, we are here. Siddh. Atus is the pratyaya because tas is replaced by atus. It is Ardha Dhatuka. Now, in this situation, what will happen? Siddh. Let's do Dvitva. Atus. Dvitva will happen by
Liti Anabhyasas.
Liti Dhatu.
Liti Dhatur.
Liti Dhaturanabhyasasya. Now, see, Siddh. Atus.
Aladishesha.
Aladishekha. Here, guna is prapta here.
G.
See, Siddh, we had done guna. Here also guna is prapta, but this guna does not happen because of this current sutra. Let's read the sutra. Asanyogal litkit, asanyogal litkit, asanyogal litkit, asanyogat litkit syat. Okay, litkit syat. May the lit get the saudhnya kit. Now, none of the lit pratyayas are having kakar as it. Nal, atus, us, thal, atus, nal, va, ma. Nakara is it in them. Kakara is not in them. So, kitva dharma is passed by this sutra in the lit lakara pratyayas. So, all these anal, atus, us, thal, atus, anal, va, ma, these pratyayas are having now kitva dharma. So atus will be considered as kit. So let's keep separate steps. Kit. Janena atusah kitvam. What sutra is saying? Apit pratyayah lit pratyayah kit syat. Apit lit pratyayah kit syat. So none of the lit lakara pratyayas are kit. Kitva dharma is passed to lit lakara pratyayas. Specific lit lakara pratyayas only will get kitva dharma, which pratyay will get. So apit lit pratyayas will get kitva dharma. The atus is apit lit pratyaya. Among these pratyayas, if thus G thus
Nip was
Nip was. Now, Adeshas we brought is nal, atus, us, thal,
Atus. Oh,
va,
Algoma.
nal, va. Now, nal, thal, nal, these three pratyas, these are coming in the place of pit pratyas. They will be getting this thingva dharma, pitva dharma, that is fine. But when it comes to atus, us, atus, va, ma, these are not having the pitva dharma. These are apit. So apit pratyas, the apit pratyas of lit lakara will get pitva dharma. Apit pratyas of lit lakara will get pitva dharma. When, if they are not preceded by sanyoga, if they are not preceded by sanyoga. So in anga, there should not be any kind of sanyoga. Two consonants should not be connected. In anga, there should not be any sanyoga. If there is sanyoga, then it will not happen. Asanyogat apit liti pratyaya pare sati tasya apitah litah pratyayasya kitva dharmah bhavati. Kitvaadeshah bhavati. यस्य अंगस्य नियोगः नास्ति तस्मात् परतः अपितः लिटः कित्वं भवति. That will be named as kit. It will get kitva dharma as well. So atus is apit lit pratyaya and it is coming asanyogat. Now there is no sanyoga here. Siddh, sisidh atus. Sisidh atus, here nowhere sanyoga is there. Halonantara sanyoga, when there is no vyavadhana of ach, then these two consonants which are coming without the vyavadhana of ach, they are called as sanyoga. There is no sanyoga. Atus is asanyogat परतः लिट प्रत्ययः अपित लिट प्रत्ययः अस्ति तस्मात् तस्य कित्व धर्म. Clear? This Panki is clear?
Yes, sir.
Now once atus is kit, next sutra is applied. Niticha. Niticha sutra we had seen. If there is git or kit or ngit pratyaya in front of anga, then iglakshana guna vruddhi na bhavati. Guna and vruddhi, which was coming in the place of ik pratyahara later, that guna vruddhi does not happen. Let it be by any sutra. So here, guna for this siddh was prapta by puganta laghu padasya. Puganta laghu padasya. This is iglakshana guna vruddhi. पुनः सच न भवति पुण्यति च इति सन्निषेधात्. That's why it does not happen. So siddh remains siddh only, siddh only. Now adesha pratyayo sutra will apply. So siddh, siddh. Clear? Sutra will apply.
आदेश प्रत्यय
आदेश प्रत्ययो. Form will be si, shi, dhatuhu. Ishedha, sishi dhatuhu. Next, this form is clear. Sutra meaning is clear.
See, why king is not applied for the first one? it is kith, right? And what is the any other limit of king will be?
Nal is not kith. Where is Nal kith?
Null is not kith, sorry.
Nal is not kith because it is coming. Nal is pit lit pratyaya. Atus, us, athus, wa, ma, these are apit lit pratyayas. That's why they will get kitva dharma. Nal, thal, nal, the ekvachana pratyayas are pit lit pratyayas. They are excluded by asanyoga lit. Asanyoga lit kit.
Got it, Ji.
So next is id, dhana, us. What will happen here?
लिटि धातोरनभ्यासस्य
It is dhatoranabhyasasya sid us by
हलादिशेषः
then see hid
आदेशप्रत्ययोः
आदेश प्रत्ययोः सिद्धो सिद्ध धन थल सिद्ध सिद्ध थल द्वित्व बाय
लिटि धातोरनभ्यासस्य
लिटि धातो अभ्यासस्य okay then
हलादिशेषः
फलादिशेषः then
आदेशप्रत्ययोः
It agama will come. It agama.
okay it agama will be first. It sutra is
Ardha dhatuka sed valadi.
ardhadhatuka se then
Adesha pratyayoho.
आदेश प्रत्ययोः
सार्वधातुकात्
Uganta lagupatasya.
सार्वधातुक अर्धधातुक will be applied for ending vowel. Uganta लघु adhasya cha. Form is ready. No any other sutra is possible. Sifhe dhita sid dhana athus sid sid athus sutra
लिटि धातोरनभ्यासस्य
इति धातोरनभ्यासस्य
हलादिशेषः
फलादिशेषः
आदेशप्रत्ययोः
आदेशप्रत्ययोः सिषिधतु ऋत्वविसर्ग ससर्षुरु पर्वसानयोर्विसर्जनीयः
Typo error. Liti is not dirgha rasvani.
लिटि धातोरनभ्यासस्य। Now, सिद्ध धन अ, सिद्ध सिद्ध अ, सूत्र
लिटि धातोरनभ्यासस्य।
लिटि धातोरनभ्यासस्य। सि सिद्ध धन अ
हलादिशेषः।
शेषः। देन सि सिद्ध अ
आदेशप्रत्ययो।
आदेश प्रत्ययोः। फॉर्म इज रेडी। सिद्धि अ सिद्ध धन नल सिद्ध सिद्ध अ
लिटि धातोरनभ्यासस्य।
लिटि धातोरनभ्यासस्य। Then सि सिद्ध अ
हलादिशेषः।
हलादिशेषः। देन
आदेशप्रत्ययोः।
नॉट आदेश प्रत्यय। ओके चलो आदेश प्रत्ययोः। सिद्ध अ
उगंत लघु पदस्य
करेक्ट। उगंत लघु पदस्य च। फॉर्म इज रेडी। सिद्धेद सिद्ध धन नल नल ब
we left one
जी
mid that is done.
yeah this anal is mip.
Oh, I thought this is the Bahuvachan Madhyam. Sorry.
That we did. मध्यम पुरुष बहुवचन is शिशिध and उत्तम पुरुष एकवचन is शिषेध.
Veda.
Just like प्रथम पुरुष एकवचन शिषेध, उत्तम पुरुष एकवचन is शिषेध, but मध्यम पुरुष बहुवचन is शिशिध. तो सिद्ध व सूत्र
Nityam Yada.
हाँ
लिटि धातोरनभ्यासस्य।
धातोरनभ्यासस्य। then
हलादिशेषः।
अनादिशेषः। then
आदेशप्रत्ययोः।
आदेश प्रत्ययोः। Fine. Now
Again here we can do it agama.
आगम सी इट हुआ सूत्र
आर्ध धातु का सेड बना दो.
आर्ध धातु का सेट चला दे है. फॉर्म इज रेडी. सिद्धि हिव सिद्ध धन म सिद्ध सिद्ध म
लिटि धातोरनभ्यासस्य।
लिटि धातोरनभ्यासस्य. सि सिद्ध म
हलादिशेषः।
हलादिशेषः. सि सिद्ध म
आदेश प्रत्यय
आदेश प्रत्ययोः देन
इट् आगमः इट् आगमः by आर्धधातुकस्य वलादेः
आर्धधातुकस्य ज्वलादेः फॉर्म इज रेडी तिष्ठि धीम तो तिषेध तिषि धत्युः तिषि शिशिधुः
शिशिधुः
शिषेदित शिशिधतुः शिशीध शिषेध
शिशिधीव शिशिधिमा
शिषेध शिशिधतुः शिशिधुः शिषेधित शिशिधतुः शिशिध शिषेध शिशिधिव शिशिधिमा. Next is lut lakar. Lut is सिद्ध धन lut. Lut is भविष्य काल. सिद्ध धन तिप
अनद्यतने
Ityam by Tiptaji Siktata. Then what will happen here? Pass. By Yatasi Julutoho. Then Dhana Tas Dhana Tip will be replaced by
P.
Tathamasya Darau Ratha. Then
Sakara gets lopa, Tasa cure lopa.
no, Sakara will not disappear. Okay, Tas will get it Agama. We'll do first it Agama. One sutra will apply. We will not do it Agama first. Okay, only Ta will remain. A and Sa, both of them will disappear.
Is it not Tasas cure lopa?
No. Tasastyor lopa does lopa of Sakara only. We want to make Akara and Sakara both to disappear. There is no sutra for this. Huh? No, there is no sutra for this.
So T, is it T lopa?
Yes, it is T lopa. Both of them have disappeared. That is T lopa. Sutra.
Tehe?
It comes under Tehe, but it is not Tehe. Tehe cannot be applied. Ditva Samarthyapi.
Ditva Samarthya.
टेर लोपः सिद्ध इट आ
आर्धधातुकस्य एड् वलादेः
तास is having ardha dhatu ka संज्ञा by ardha dhatukam.
धातुकं शेषः
Then Sid will not remain Sid. Sid will become
Sid.
Sid. It. Ah. Guys,
दन्तलघुपदस्य च
Tuvanta Laghu Padasya. Then form is ready. Buddha. Sid. Dhana. Tas. Sid. Dhana. Rav. Sutra.
प्रथमस्य लुटः प्रथमस्य दारौ रसः
प्रथमस्य दारो रसः. Sid. Dhana. Tas. Dhana. Rav. Sutra.
स्यदासि लोहितः
Tasil Lutoho. And Sid. Dhana. Here.
सिद्ध श
Only Sakara will disappear.
तासस्योर्लोपः
Hmm?
No, Rikara is there.
Hmm.
Sutra specifically for Rikara. Richaha.
Which that comes right after Tasastyor Lopa. Sid Dhana Ta. It. Ta. Rav. It Agama will happen by
आर्धधातुकस्य एड् वलादेः
Ardha Dhatu ka state balade hai. Then
भुगन्तलघुपदस्य च
Uganta Laghu Andredi Editaru. Editaro. It is Sid Dhana. Ras. Sid Dhana. Tas Dhana. Ras. Sid Dhana. Ta. Ras.
च
Sid Dhana. It Dhana. Ta Dhana. Ras.
आर्धधातुकस्य एड् वलादेः
Ardha Dhatu ka state balade. Then
भुगन्तलघुपदस्य
दन्तलघुपदस्य च
Uganta Laghu Padasya. Editaro. Sid Dhana. Tip. Sid Dhana. Tas Dhana. Sip.
स्यातासि
Tata Sid Lutoho. Then Sid Dhana. Again, Sakara will disappear. Okay.
यतासस्य लोकः
लोकः then सिद्धना सिद्धना it will come by
आर्धधातुकस्य
धातु का से बनाते हैं सिद्धना ता
कृदन्तलघुपदस्य च
भी पार्टी है ना बस सिद्धना तास ना बस तास will come by
यतासील रुलुतो
तासील बोले तो हो then सिद्धना तास ना बस here what will happen it will come right here
आर्धधातुकस्य ड्वलादेः
अर्ध धातु का सेट बना देंगे here nothing will happen here after ससविषोरु खरवसानरु विसर्जनम् so yeah sorry aguna will happen तेज
उगन्तलघुपदस्य च
सुगंध भूलु उद्द इतास्थ तेरी तास्थ सिद्ध है ना
Sakara won't be there after Dheeraj.
ओ सिद्धना धना धना बस तास will come by
यतासील रुलुतो
सेल रुलतो हो सिद्धना
आर्धधातुकस्य ड्वलादेः
अगला तो करते बना देंगे then सिद्धना तास
उगन्तलघुपदस्य च
on is ready nip सिद्धना तास धना तीसरा
यतासील रुलुतो
सिद्ध धना इट धना
आर्धधातुकस्य ड्वलादेः
अर्ध धातु का सेट बनाते हैं फिर धना इतास धना मी
उगन्तलघुपदस्य च
सुवंत लघु पदस्य च फॉर्म इज रेडी से भी मी धना बस धना तास यस
यतासील रुलुतो
तासी लुलुतोः Next, सिद्ध धन इट मस
आर्धधातुकस्य इट् बलादेः
सार्वधातुकस्य इट् बलादेः then सिद्ध धन तास धन मस सूत्र
पुगन्तलघुपदस्य च
लघुपदस्य च फॉर्म इज रेडी सेधितासुरः सिद्धनमस् सिद्धन तासधनमस्
यथासि लुलुतोः
तासेलुलुतोः सिद्धन किट धन तास मस्
आर्धधातुकस्य इट् बलादेः
सिद्धन तास मस्
पुगन्तलघुपदस्य च
लघुपदस्य च फॉर्म इज रेडी सेधिता सेधि आरौ
सेदितारः
सेधितासि
सेदितास्थः सेदितास्थ
आस्थ
सेदितास्मि सेदितास्वः सेदितास्मः
सिद्ध लिट
लिट्
सेधिष्यति here only in the prakriya good load yeah. प्रत्ययार्थी बस जी सिप बस बस मित बस जी will become anti it will remain only t it will remain only c mit will remain me everywhere sya vikarana will come by syatasil lulutoho then everywhere it agama will happen e by सूत्र आर्ध धातु का सेट बनाते हैं so for sutras we applied छोन्तः
स्यतासि लुलुतोः
यथासि लुलुतोः
आर्धधातुकस्य इट् बलादेः
सेट बनाते हैं
आदेशप्रत्ययोः
now we will apply adesha pratyayo everywhere where there is sya will turn into shya so the pratyayas will be इष्यति, इष्यतः, इष्यन्ति. अतो गुणे सूत्र will apply here for इष्यन्ति. Mention it later. इष्यसि, इष्यथः, इष्यथ, इष्यामि. Akar will turn into akar by sutra.
Ato dirgha.
Shikshamah. These are tatyas are ready. Sutra next is after Adesha Pratyayo, then we applied one more sutra.
Ato dirgho.
Dirgho yain. That's it. That is the sutra. One more sutra we will apply, that is now when the anga will come, Uganta Laghu Padhasya cha. Correct? Because everywhere we have to add Sidh. Sidh will turn into Sedh. So what we will connect is
That-
Sedh. Yes, Swamiji?
Amipurva, what was that sutra for Ishyanti?
So, not Amipurva. Atogune.
Atoguna.
Atogune. For this. Because this will be E, yeah, and Anti. This is what
Anti.
will be the situation. Ishya will happen. That Akara and Akara, Atogune will happen. Atogune. Everywhere Sedh we will connect because Ishya is here is separate pratyay and it is anga of that. So it is complete pratyay. Ishya is pratyayana and it is ardhatuka. Tingshit sarvadhatukam ardhatukum shesha. It is having ardhatuka saudhya. Sarvadhatuka ardhatuka pratyay is there in front of laghu upadha anga. So laghu upadha anga will get guna. Sidh will become sedh. Sedh will get connected. Sedhishyati, sedhishyatah, sedhishyanti, sedhishyasi, sedhishyatah, sedhishyatah, sedhishyami, sedhishyavah, sedhishyama. Yeah. Sedhishyati, sedhishyatah, sedhishyanti, sedhishyasi, sedhishyatah, sedhishyatah, sedhishyami, sedhishyavah, Ones are clear?
Yes, sir.
Then there is Lot Lata. We will see later in next class. Should we stop here, Swami?
Yeah. I saw your message about Amipurva and Atoguna. We all saw.
Yes.
I will read it and try to assimilate it.
Yes, sir.
So,
Om Purnamada Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti. Om Shri Guru Pyo Namaha. Hari Om. Hari Om.
Anchi, the question that I was asking before class, Ru becomes Punar